Welcome to day 7 of 30 Days of Tuba. Merrily We Roll Along. Let's get our first 3 notes, which should sound very familiar. First note is 1 and 2. I had it a second ago. There we go. Concentrate on getting your finger changes first before you play. Finger changes, get your fingering, and then once you have that, this is going to play through pretty quickly. Keep your air going and your fingers changing this first time through. You're going to hear the melody the first time, and then the harmony will play the second time. You can play the melody both times along with what you're hearing, and it's going to go pretty quickly. You'll hear a count off before it starts. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. One, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Thanks for playing Merrily We Roll along with our tuba player, and have a great day. You can do this. Keep practicing. Take lots of breaks when you first start. Practice with the mouthpiece. Make sure the mouthpiece is really on there. Tip it in. Push it on your face so that you're not too far away. You won't get a sound if you're too far away. Okay?